Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer, and today I'm here with the first look at RHINOSHIELD SolidSuit cases for the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. So the SolidSuit has always been one of my favorite case lines. They're very slim and lightweight, offer over 11 feet of drop protection, and they have swappable buttons and camera rims for a quick and easy splash of color. They're also made from a food-grade plastic, which is BPA free. And this year, the SolidSuit cases are made from a mono material, which is 100% recyclable. However, this year they are super slippery, slipperier than ever. Not really sure what's going on there. Let's take a closer look. Looking first at the RHINOSHIELD SolidSuit case in this beautiful new ocean blue color on the 15 Pro. So very, very lightweight case. Some flex to it, not tons. This is not a squishy feeling case, but it's not one that is super stiff either. So the material here has basically zero texture, zero grip, but it does seem like it should be easy to keep clean. So that's definitely a pro. I'm loving the fact that we've got swappable buttons on here for different colors, as well as a swappable camera rim. And we do have a spot down here for a lanyard. This is also compatible with RHINOSHIELD's strap card system with crossbody lanyards, so that's great. And then going into the interior, this particular one is MagSafe, but that's an optional upgrade. So if MagSafe is not important to you, you can save money by skipping that. The MagSafe magnets in here are supposed to be twice as strong as Apple's standard. The MagSafe cases last year were very nice and strong in terms of their MagSafe adhesion, but I can't really test that very well with this because I don't have the actual phones yet. So you'll notice we also have a honeycomb pattern on here. This adds to the protective nature of the case. And this case overall is made from something called Shock Spread Eco, and that's where it gets its 11 feet of drop protection from. So overall, I think everything looks really nice. I just really wish it had more grip. So we got a bunch of colors here, 16 colors total to choose from in the MagSafe versions and 17 with the standard non-MagSafe version. So loving the violet here, although I do notice that the buttons on here and the camera rims are in a very slightly contrasting color. I don't know if that's deliberate. I would have thought that they would match perfectly. But other than that, this violet is a lovely color. And again, this is one of the MagSafe versions. And then we have this lovely shell beige color. I think that this is going to look really good with the titanium in the natural titanium color for the 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. Definitely a cool look there. And then we have this beautiful Tide Blue. So again, just a lovely color. Super lightweight case. Really cool look. And then if we're moving on to the bigger phone, you've got Cobalt Blue. So this one is quite a bright blue color. And then the final blue color that we have here is Glacier Blue. So quite a light blue. So putting all the blue SolidSuit colors together so you can see the different shades. So we got Cobalt Blue here in the 15 Pro Max, as well as Glacier Blue in the 15 Pro Max. And then we have the beautiful Ocean Blue that we were looking at before in the 15 Pro size. And then finally we have Tide Blue here. So tons of blue colors to choose from this year. So looking at the fit of this case on our 15 Pro Max dummy, we got a nice fit. Very little give anywhere, nice and tight. Lip-wise, we've got a high lip at the top and the bottom, lower lip in the middle, although there still is some lip here in the middle. If you put a tempered glass screen protector on here, you're still going to have plenty of lip. I think everything looks good. Looking down here at our port openings, so we've got symmetrical port openings for the asymmetrical port design of the phone, so that's a little bit disappointing. I wish this side was a little bit smaller, but other than that, I think everything looks good. Should have plenty of space for the new USB-C connectors, so that's great. Going up the sides, you got a spot here for a wrist strap. And of course, this case is going to be compatible with RHINOSHIELD's strap card system for its lanyards for crossbody use, so that's great too. Going up the sides, very, very, very little grip. This is not a grippy case. Going to our buttons, so everything looks great here, but I can't really test the functionality on a dummy phone, unfortunately. Looking at the view from the top, everything looks good in terms of the amount of lip we have. And then going over here to the side, we've got one button here and some RHINOSHIELD branding at the bottom. Looking at the back of the case, so again, zero grip on here. This material here should be pretty easy to keep clean, so that's excellent. And I think that hopefully it should be reasonably scratch resistant as well. You just have a smooth, hard feel on this. This is going to slip easily in and out of pockets for sure, so no problem there. And we have plenty of protection here for the rear camera. So I think everything looks good there. As far as MagSafe compatibility, the magnets in here seem nice and strong when I test them out with MagSafe accessories. So this is a nice power bank from ESR. Obviously it's not charging anything when you have a dummy phone in here, but just to give you an idea about the magnets, everything here seems really good. So I don't know whether you're going to have even stronger magnets when you've got the phone in there with the phone's own magnets. I would think so, but I'm not actually absolutely sure on that. Overall, I think everything looks quite good here. The only real concerns I have here are the amount of grip, and I do wish that we had asymmetrical port openings on here. So as I mentioned before, one of the things which I think is particularly fun with the SolidSuit cases is the fact that you can switch out your buttons and your camera rims so easily. So let's do a little switch here. I'm going to take out the buttons from this Glacier blue, and I'm going to put them in to the Cobalt blue. And then you do the same thing to remove the camera rim. You want to push it inwards, and it removes easily. And then take the Glacier blue buttons and press them into place. Very easy and fun. You just start from the inside and then push outwards. I'm going to remove the camera rim here, push it on the inside, and then take the new one and start from the inside and push outwards. Very easy and a whole new cool look. So overall in this first look here, I think we've got some very nice cases here from RHINOSHIELD with the SolidSuit, but I do wish that they had a bit more grip. And of course I'll be following this up with a full review once I have the actual phones in hand. Again, this has been a first look at RHINOSHIELD's iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max SolidSuit cases. The SolidSuits are going to start at $29.99 for the standard non-MagSafe version, and if you want to add MagSafe compatibility, the price increases to $44.99. There are 16 colors to choose from which are MagSafe compatible, and 17 colors if you choose a case which is not MagSafe compatible. And you can also choose to add a print to the back of your SolidSuit case from between an additional $3 and $10 depending on whether you choose a regular print or one of the premium collaboration prints, and whether you choose to add it to a MagSafe compatible or a non-MagSafe compatible case. RHINOSHIELD has very complicated pricing. You also might want to consider adding a different color camera rim or set of buttons to your order. If you bundle them with the case, then the buttons and the camera rims are 99 cents per camera rim or set of buttons. That's 50% less than if you purchase them separately, plus you're a lot more likely to get free shipping if you purchase them bundled with the case than if you try to order them all alone. And if your order goes above a $50 minimum and you use my affiliate link, you can save 10% off of your RHINOSHIELD purchase. Many thanks to the kind folks at RHINOSHIELD for sending me out these samples to review. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments section below and I'll do my best to answer them. And do consider hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos, because I have lots of iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max accessory stuff coming up. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.